Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to export data using the Laravel Excel. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial about importing data using Laravel Excel, please kindly watch before you proceed here in the Excel. It teaches you how to install Laravel step by step and install the Laravel Excel package. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you wanna do is to create a export class using the Laravel Excel. So to do that, we need to run this command php artisan make export user export. Then we specify the model. So in this case, model user. So you just have to wait. So it is creating export folder at the same time the export class. So as you can see here, user export. Yes, as you can see here, we created the user export. So we the generated class imported the model app user model. So as you can see here, it uses app user model. At the same time, it uses the from collection. So what does the from collection do? So it returns all the properties of the model or the data. So as you can see, return, then using the all, it gets all the data from the users table. That's pretty much it. So the next thing we want to do is to create a route for the export class. So as you can see here, we have import. So we will need to add another route for this. So in this case, we will add a post route for export. Then we will create a another controller named export controller. Then we will name this route the export. So that's pretty much it. The next thing we wanna do is to um, import the export class that we just created. So in this case, we will use app exports, then the name of our export class or file, user export class. So you can see you have to match the name of the class here to here. Then after we imported the export class, we will create a function named export. So it has basically this export class use the export Excel export functionality. So just need to return Excel download new. We initialize the user export class, then the name of the file, in this case users.xls. So that's pretty much it, I guess. The last thing we want to do is to create a button to for export in our import users views. So here we will say export href we will tell it's in the route export. Of course, we will um, have a class name export users. Then we run this. We run the Laravel. So we finally done with our code. So let's try to test if the export function is working by going to this URL. So import users. This is the previous view that we have created in the last video tutorial. So here we saw this export button that we created. So let's try to click. There you go. So if you click in the users, so it has the data of the data that we imported. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified if I have uploaded new tutorial or videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.